Welcome back, my peeps. Hope y'all all been doing good. And had a chance to work on some of the first couple tutorials I did for Valentine's. I'm gonna make this is not really, it's not a cupcake, but you call it, it's like a sundae. It's like in a sundae cup. So everything I got from Dollar Tree, everything I got for this project was from Dollar Tree except for these cups. Because for some reason, all the Dollar Trees I've been to, I haven't seen any cups like this. I did find some pink ones if you want to use pink ones, but I wanted to use red because I like this shiny shimmer, because most of everything I'm going to put on the cupcake is shiny and it shimmers, you know. So what I got was this. These little, they call them vase fillers, these little shiny, what do you call these? Like sprinkles and stuff. Well, this came from the Christmas craft, when they had the Christmas crafts out. That's why I tell you, always get, if you see it, get it. This was in gold, silver, and this red color. And then I got some of these little shiny hearts from Valentine Decor, which is out now. I got some of these little lips. You can't see it. I'm going to show you in a little while. But they got lips and little stones in it. And then they have the, you know, they always have these every year, the little plastic heart in red and pink. And then they also have this confetti, which you can't see too good, is in a bag. But I have some open over here, and I'm going to show it to y'all. And also I got some of these straws. They shiny, they shine like this cup. They have the shiny hearts on it. So I got some of those. So this is what I was talking about. I keep my stuff like in a container. So, you know, you get the hearts, pink, red, and the lips, and this nice confetti. It's pretty. Hold on, let me put some in my hand. It has different shapes and pieces, and it's just pretty. It's like table scatter, but it's really pretty and shiny, like how I wanted this cupcake to look. So, you know, put this to the side and grab it when we need it. So we're gonna start with the cup. You see me do this 1,000 times. I don't put tissue paper or anything in there. What I use is a toilet paper roll cut in half, or not in half. You know, you're gonna measure. You have to cut it to, you know, it can't be over the top. It has to be cut down enough so it goes inside, because you're gonna put something on top of it to give you that height, so you don't have to fill it with tissue paper or whatever else you ever filled it with before. So basically this is just going to be your filler. It's going to give you the height you need. Okay, I've done this plenty of times. Anybody that's been watching my videos already knows how to do this. But basically you trace around your circle, you cut it out, and make sure that it fits inside the cup. And you're gonna tape it, glue it down. Let's see if my glue gun, oh, it's hot enough. What? Glue gun is hot enough. You're just gonna take the toilet paper roll, glue it onto the inside of the cup, right? Then you're gonna cut out your circle and make sure that it's fits inside your cup. Have to fit inside your cup. Then you're gonna glue that down. Hold it there for a minute. Gonna let it set up. And then I'm gonna use half of a styrofoam ball, only because I wanted to give height. And I just like using it. But if you don't want to use a styrofoam cup, you know what you could use? I've done it before. Hold on. Whoa. You can use one of these little takeout container thingies. Put it in the middle, go around it, and build up. If you don't, I mean, you have options, okay? So I'm gonna glue the styrofoam ball down. You don't have to use this size styrofoam ball. You can use a smaller one if you want. It's totally up to you, but you how you do yours, okay? I already have my Coke. I wish I had a Coca-Cola right now. That's my addiction. It's terrible. You know, I only drink like 3 things. Water. I drink lots of water. I love water. Then Coca-Cola. Sometimes orange juice. Every once in a while I'll drink a hot chocolate. That's it. I don't drink iced tea. I don't drink lemonade. Gatorade. None of that crap. Every once in a while I might have an orange soda or pineapple soda, but that's it. So anyways, we're going to put our, so what I'm going to do, I'm kind of just going to like, I'm not going to do the swirl like I usually do. I'm kind of just trying to do something a little different, you know? What you think about that? Oh, can you see it that good? The lighting is terrible. Anyways, we built up. Make sure everything is covered. Yep, it's covered. Make sure you keep a wet. When you using this and you're not going to use it like right now and you're going to use it on another project, just keep a wet wipe over the tip and let it sit in the corner over there while it waits for you. Just so you won't, you know, it won't dry out the tip and then it's going to be clogged up. Whatever. All right. So we're going to put our, I'm only going to use one of these. I'm going to put it right at the top. But don't just stick it in there. Get you a toothpick. That, you know, sometimes you stick, ooh, you stick stuff in your spackle and it just like pops right off, right? Whoop. That worked out. I was trying not to push it down too hard. But, all right, hold on, because now I got spackle on my hand. So, okay. I'll take care of that later. Right? So you're going to stick your little heart in there. I will have to fix this later. I could put like something on there. Alright. Or I could just stick this right back on there. Look. Anyway, we're going to move on. I'm going to get my straw. You only need one. And I wanted to put some diamond dust on the cupcake before it dries up. You see how you can't, the lighting is so terrible. I like to see it sparkling and stuff. Can't even do that. So we're gonna cut the straw. You only need like 2 little pieces. And we're gonna stick it in the side like this. It's hard to stick it in because the freaking, stick it into the styrofoam. I'm really upset about this. All right, so I don't want to look at that straw, that heart. So what we're gonna do is stick the toothpick in, and then you stick the heart in. Boom. Smart. Should have thought of that before. But that's why I make the mistakes, so you don't have to. Right? Alright, so I'm going to just stick. I want to put some of these balls on here. But I got to get me a little Ziploc bag, because let me tell you something. Yeah, I know these things be all over the place if I don't put it in a Ziploc bag. And I am not in the mood. Alright. So now you just grab them and put them here and put them there. I just wanted it to be sparkly, like the whole Sundae. You can't just sprinkle it on because the spackle is already kind of dried up. So you kind of just gotta get your little and put them here and put them there. Okay, that one. See how it just rolls off? That's because the spackle is already starting to set. So then you just got to go in there and do them one by one. Right? So I'm going to just leave this alone. And I'll do the rest off camera. But let's look and see what kind of shapes we have here with these hearts. So we have these little hearts. You stick one here, in there. And then they have, I really should have glued down the base of the cupcake better. I want to put a kiss. Un besito. Where should I put it? Yeah, let's put it right here. So it has a kiss. So this is a basic, just a little bit. You know, guys, I like to keep my stuff pretty basic. I don't put too much stuff on it. That's just my preference. I'm pretty like simple. Like that's my style. I'm not really like over the top type designs and stuff. And in general in my life, I'm very basic, so that's probably why why my crafts are basic. But listen, if you want to take it over the top, knock yourself out. Do what you do. Okay? So this is it. Like, see I put the little hearts in there? Kept it very basic. And I just put one kiss. I didn't put too many. But I'm going to finish it up and I'm going to put more of these little, what you call these things? Like, shoot, every video, I can't think. I get like brain freeze. Like the video goes on and my brain says, all right, time to die. You know, foam beads, the foam beads. Oh, goodness. But guys, this is it. Keep it very basic and very simple, but I like it. I think it's very cute, classic, and you can make one for yourself too. So guys, I know this was pretty fast and simple, and you guys know I like to keep it moving. Like most of the time I'm coming on here and I already have half of the stuff done, or I have one pre-made, so we don't waste too much time yip yapping and you know, wasting time on things that you don't care about. Like you just want to get to the craft. I just want to get to the craft. I just want to get it over with. I think it came out pretty cute. Anyways, guys, until the next video, Stay safe, stay healthy, keep crafting, and I will catch you in the next one, okay? Talk to y'all later. God bless. Bye.